Spin.
It's the first game. We had control of this game in the third quarter, but there were some defensive breakdowns that caused us to lose that momentum. So one thing is certain. We feel we can beat this team, and we'll try again next time, Wednesday. But I guess we can give it a better try Wednesday with Gabe coming in to play. And I thought there were some bad calls all around. I felt that the last play was our possession. I mean, the out of bounds by Alapag was a clear out of bounds. The referees did not call it. Again, it's very difficult for us to get breaks, but we just have to create our own breaks and work a little harder the next time. I don't know what Howell's problem is. I guess he's just having a bad game. He got blocked 5 times. Maybe he's trying to take it out on me.
Did he say anything to you?
He called me a bitch. And
During that,
and the refs heard it, and they did not do anything. And that's supposed to be a profane language. Pag ako, profane language rin din. So that was within hearing distance of a lot of people. Again, the refs should do their job.
did it start earlier, Coach? Were you?
Well, I was raising my hand. He walked through me. And then he came back at me. I don't know what his problem was. Hindi ko alam.
To give him a slight tap in the belly.
Because he came to me.
Sakto.
Oo. I just held my ground. I don't know if I just held my ground. That's why napaganon yung kamay ko. Kasi siya dumaan doon, nandun na ako eh. So, I don't know. He was the one who came through me. I was already there and he was walking and he came into my space. And then he went after me again. I don't know why the refs don't call any technical fouls on that. Not even a warning.
He called you a bitch, Coach, after the first incident.
Yeah, yung nag-i-inbound na sila. Yung nag-i-inbound na sila.
Nung pinalalabas siya uli.
Oo. Nung nilalabas na siya ni Norman.
Yung sinubo siya ni Norman sa court.
Oo. The refs heard it, pero sabi hindi raw niya narinig. Pero lahat kami narinig namin sa bench. So, I don't know if the refs are just letting it go or they're losing control. Kami, hindi namin magawa yan. Hindi ko malaman ba't yung kabila nagagawa nila yun. Kung susugurin namin yung isang player nila na gano'n, isang player namin pupunta sa kabilang bench. Ewan ko bakit. Ano mangyayari sa amin? Baka 200,000 ang fine. Sila, ewan ko, wala. Tsaka yung inbound play, reviewable yun eh. Yung tawag na yun.
Yung out of bounds?
Yung out of bounds eh. Pwede ba i-review yun? Diba? Ba't hindi nila rin-review? Pero minsan, napakaliwanag, nire-review nila. Eh, nire-review lang yun. Tapos na ang gulo. Hindi nangyari to. Hindi ko malam, ba't hindi nire-review? Those are the rules. And the rest don't even know the rules. You could have reviewed it. That's under 2 minutes. Problema natin, yung mga sisira lang dahil sa referee. Napakasimple ng solusyon doon. I-review lang. Hindi ko na, wala akong doon. Wala akong narinig. Pero nung pinapalabas na siya, yun yung time na...
So, ano planin niyo after this was after nang nakita niyo na meron?
Wala, I just let them know through the press con, no, na yun ang ginawa niya. Kasi wala naman akong magagawa. Ang liga ang dapat may gawin.
So, hindi kayo natatakot po sa baka mag-fine kayo?
Bakit ako pa-fine?
Statement against the league. Detrimental to the league.
Like what?
Yung sinabi niyo was about the officiating and all.
I don't think that's detrimental. I think they need to know that to improve the league. At alam nila dapat kung anong dapat gawin din.
Si Howard po, tingin mo po yung paano siya yung top running sa best import. You think he deserves that siya? Sa best import with how he behaved?
I don't, naman about the best import eh. No? I'm not really concerned about the best import. No? So, I just leave it at that. I don't...
Do you think he's speaking sa award na yun? With how he behaved?
I think best import, if you compare their performance, kung ngayon, no? Taking away who won and who lost, Wayne Chisholm, of course, was head and shoulders above him. Ayun, ganun lang.
Pero may effect kaya mo sa behavior na yan?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman ako magdi-decide din ng best import. Eh.
Pero normally sa mga experiences mo before yun gano'n?
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong basis para i-judge yun kasi I really don't know how a best import is going.
Spin.